Hello students, in this class we'll see lesson based assessment LBA quadratic equation 2 marks question. We have seen 1 mark MCQ and 1 mark descriptive in previous classes. In this class we'll see the third main questions, 2 marks questions. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization method. We take this equation as x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. I have exclusively explained the factorization method in exercise solving. Please go and watch my videos. Here I will not be explaining all the information required here, and I will not solve all the questions which are similar. Let's take this example. I'll explain first into third method. First means x square coefficient, that is plus 1. Third is constant, that is plus 12. When you multiply them, you will get plus 12. Factors you have to find for plus 12, so that product will be plus 12 and addition will give plus 7. Means 4 3s are 12, plus 3 plus 4 means you product them, plus 4 into plus 3 you get plus 12, plus 4 and plus 3 when you add you get plus 7. Now you split plus 7 as the factors we found and simplify. Let's see. X square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12 equal to 0 means instead of plus 7x we have to write the factors plus 4x and plus 3x. Then we take the common in first two terms and next two terms. We get x of x plus 4 plus 3 of x plus 4 equal to 0. Make sure we get the terms in the bracket are same. That's now they're same, right? So we take that as common. Now we get x plus 3 equal to 0. Equate them to 0, you get the values of x. This is one value. X plus 3 is 0, then x equal to minus 3. This is another value. Therefore, required roots means this only. This is called factorization. You are finding the factors for this 12 so that their product is plus 12 and their addition should give plus sign, middle term coefficient. Okay. Then find the roots of the quadratic equation. That is also same here, but since it has minus, I'll solve this alone. Now x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. Only for the factors sign assignment is important. So let's take plus 1 into minus 60 gives minus 60. Because plus 1 is x square coefficient, minus 60 is constant. Factors of 60 so that their sum should give 4. Okay, 12 5 is a 60 is there, but 12 and 5 when add or subtract you will not get 4. So 12 and 5 doesn't make a pair here. Okay, 20 30 23. 23 is a 60 is also there, but it will not give you plus 4. So I'll say 10 6 is a 60, right? So when we add and subtract, we get, see, plus 10 into minus 6 we get minus 60, plus 10 and minus 6 when added we get plus 4. Okay, now split it. X square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60. Once you find the roots, right, factors, right, sorry, you skip this term totally and write that x to these ones and write it in the middle. So you take the common here, x of x plus 10 minus 6 of x plus 10. How would I write x plus 10 directly? Means the first bracket what we get should definitely will come here. Take that guy out. What is remaining is x and minus 6. Put it in another bracket. So equate to 0, you get the roots. This is one root. X minus 6 is 0. X is 6. That is another root. Okay. Now we'll move on. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. This is same. Find the roots. This is same. Find the roots. This is same. Find the discriminant and write the nature of the roots. We have solved it many a times. So I hope you can solve these things. P square minus C you find. If it is greater than 0, say roots are real and distinct. If it is equal to 0, say roots are real and equal. If it is less than 0, say roots are not real. If you want, I can solve for 1 here quickly. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is 0. We take A is 2, B is minus 5, C is 3. When there is a negative value for a coefficient, please pick that number along with the sign. So discriminant is what? b square minus 4ac. B square is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Minus 5 square is 25 square. 4 to the 8, 8 is a 24. Sorry, 25 only. So 1 greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. Understood? So you can complete all those things similar ways. Now, we will see 40th. Prove that the roots are real and distinct. Means you should get b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Just we now got it. But only thing is it has a in the b term. So you can do that. I'll show that 40th one. Take that x square plus ax minus 4 equal to 0. A is 1, b is a, c is minus 4. Okay, discriminant you want, right? So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. B is a only, minus 4 into 1 into minus 4, a square plus 16. This is greater than 0. How do you say this is greater than 0? Without knowing the value of a? Value of a, even if it is negative, its square makes positive. And to that, when you add 16, it will be always greater than 0. Hence, roots are real and distinct. Understood? Next, we'll move to the next question. For what value of k the roots are equal? That is very important question. It is, take that equation 4x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0, a equal to k, b equal to 6, c equal to 1. Therefore, real and equal means discriminant is 0, right? That is b square minus 4ac is 0. B square minus 4ac is 0. Substitute it. B square means 6 square minus 4 into k into 1 is 0. Right? So 6 square means that is 36 minus 4k equal to 0. 36 is equal to 4k. 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja, k equal to 9. For value of k is equal to 9, we get roots are equal. Okay, when they say roots are equal, we have to make discriminant is equal to 0. Find the unknowns. 41 is done. 42, if the quadratic equation has two real roots, find the equation. This is kind of easy. Means once you find the b value, you put it back and form the equation. That's what they are asking here. Let's check it. X square plus bx plus 9 equal to 0 means a equal to 1, b equal to b only, c equal to 9. So since the roots are equal, they said, right? So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square is b square only. So b square is equal to 36 will come. 4 into 1, 4. 4 9 is 36. When we transpose it right side, it will be plus 36. B equal to plus or minus 36. B equal to plus or minus 6. Therefore, required equation is x square plus or minus x plus 9 equal to 0. Means 1 plus means x square plus x plus 9 is 0, or x square minus x plus 9 also 0. Okay. Let's see the 43rd one. 43rd is what? For what value of k there's equal roots? We found it already, right? Just like 41 question. 41 and 43 are same. Just check out. Equate to 0, be discriminant, you will get the value. Then 44, find the discriminant and hence the nature of the roots. This is also, we can solve it. We have n number of questions here. 35, 36, 37 are all same kind of questions. 45, okay. This will solve because in the factorization x square they had only one as coefficient. Here one number is there, so we will just solve the 45th one. It is same way only. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is 0. So first into third means x square coefficient is plus 3, constant is 2, plus 6 will come. Plus 6 coefficient is 5 you should get, means 6 1 is 6. When you Okay, let's see. Okay, this will not make, because minus 6 plus 1 will give minus 6 on product. Maybe you get minus 5. So this is not a correct pair. Okay. What I should write is 3 to the 6 I have to take. Then minus 3 minus 2 when added will give minus 5. When their product, when they are multiplied, we get plus 6, right? Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Now you split and take a common, we'll get it. 3x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then you take common here. 3x if you common, x minus 1 minus 2 if you take common, x minus 1. Then x minus 1 of 3x minus 2 is 0. Equate to 0, you get the roots. X equal to 1 is the root. Then 3x minus 2 is 0 means x equal to 2 by 3 is the root. Understood? Similarly, you can find the 33. We'll see the next question whether we have any 2 marks questions. No, we are done with 2 marks questions. Okay, we'll see in the next class 3 marks questions. Thank you.